अगर उसका फिर से टेक्स्ट आने पे तुम फिर कूद रहे हो ना, सोच रहे हो कि हाँ योर इनर चाइल्ड फील सेफ विथ हिम एंड कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ हिम, देन अपने इनर चाइल्ड को तो थप्पड़ मारो एंड जस्ट focus on what you're doing. It's a self reminder, like I thought, like I'm whatever, just leave it. ये जो पिछला मैंने बकचोदी की है, ये तो मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही रिकॉर्ड किया था, वॉट एवर, तब जो मूड था। पर अभी एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगी, लाइक आई नो आई हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट ही हैवन प्रपोज टू यू येट एंड ही इज़ अ गुड गाय, लाइक if you have cried for him for several times and you like to talk to him, then there must be something, like you have choose to do that, no? So फालतू चीज़ें तो you don't choose, no? You have chosen, like something is there, that's why whatever it could be shit ladder you got to know that it's whatever, it may be good, like after God wants your good. If it's bad it will go, and if it's good it will stick, right? Then, and bro, honestly, like I for that fell with that fact that he's not forcing you to be his girlfriend, and मतलब टक्कड़ वाला बात हो गया ये, मतलब he's not forcing me, like सुकून वाला फील आ रहा है, like I'm feeling comfortable to talk to him and all that, but I have to keep in mind that he haven't proposed yet, and he just he मजाक मजाक में ही बोल रहे कि that he have a girlfriend and all. To keep in mind that it's he's not showing that much seriousness that he will like to meet you and all, like घबराया हुआ है, he's not ready and he don't want whatever, I don't know, like I'm feeling comfortable, like okay, if he wants to go away he's free to go away, like I दुनिया में आखिरी नहीं है, हो सकता है कि he is also a lesson for me and I'll get a good guy and all, but for now it's comfortable. So पता नहीं मेरे सिचुएशनशिप के और कितने सीजन्स बाकी है, बट इट्स ओके. नो इट्स नॉट ओके, लाइक व्हाट, आई डोंट नो, लाइक मुझे सैड नहीं होना. यू चूज़ योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. लाइक इफ़ ही इज़ कम्फर्टेबल टू टॉक टू हिम, नोबडी इज़ लाइक स्टॉपिंग यू. दैट सी देख, तेरे डीएम में तेरे स्कूल के सीनियर 4-5 साल पुराने सीनियर पड़े हुए हैं, तेरे डीएम में बहुत लोग पड़े हुए हैं, बट यू आर चूजिंग टू टॉक टू दिस गाय. लाइक तू हीरा चूज़ करती है, लाइक you have grown up, you're really mature, like I believe in myself, I believe in you. तू चूज़ कर रही है, there must be something, like maybe it's really good and all, and yeah, जब दिखेगा कि he is not enough and not good, you have to leave him ना. You after all you don't want anything bad for yourself, or अगर further, see now you haven't proposed you haven't proposed him, so your friends, good friends, like मजाक मस्ती, थोड़ा दिमाग ठंडा करना. If Lara, like you are choosing to be loyal to him, like you are still waiting for him to propose you, it's okay, like I'm chill, like I'm chill, I'm not worried about anything, like future mein if I get any better I will just jump to that stone, but for now it's okay, like सुकून. तुझे बात करना था, you have talked to him, you are feeling good, that's important. भाई तू है सुंदर, ठीक है, ऐसे खुद को एरा गेरा मत समझ, ठीक है, तू है सुंदर. ही इज स्टिल इन शॉक दैट वाई यू आर टॉकिंग टू हिम. he is in shock, like he, like वो भी shock, like whatever I feel, I don't know, but he's like thinking, like ये बहुत बार बोल भी चुका है तेरे को कि लाइक तेरे लिए तो लाइन है लड़कों की एंड ऑल दैट. Like he also believes that you are beautiful and all that. Please God help him to come out of it and just be real, right? Just be real. हे भगवान, उसे थोड़ी शक्ति दे दो, शक्ति, ताकि ही कम आउट ऑफ हिज डिल्यूलू दैट मैं छोड़ के चलूँ. यू डो आफ्टर ऑल सी, अगर ये तेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है if it's hurting you, then just throw it away. No, throw it away. You don't have to get worried. You like to talk to him, he's a comfortable person to you for now, just talk to him. And nothing, communication is key. So just leave it. ऐसे चूरमा बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कोई. That's all for now. Bye. And see, I would like to conclude that ये DM वाली बात I'm not flexing, okay? Like it's real, and this podcast is not about like anybody. It's about me. I'm just keeping the situation that what's the situation, okay? So yeah, DMs वैसे है, and what I am choosing, that's the truth. So that's it. Okay.